What's it like competing in Maker Battle as a youth competitor?
It's a lot of fun, but it's a lot of stress because I do most of the things on my team. So it's a lot of scrambling last minute, but it's also super fun and rewarding competing here with everyone else.
What do you think it takes for someone to get into 1 pound combat robotics?
Robotics in general is super intimidating, and I definitely know that because I knew nothing about robots going into this. People say this a lot. It's more accessible than ever. To me, the easiest way to dive in was to just get a kit and start learning how to put it together. And from there, I mean, just like go to events because the people here are amazing. They're so freaking cool.
Maker Battle is one of those ones where they really focus on getting a lot more of like the youth competitors in. So it's really nice seeing a lot of the people who are going to be the future general like engineers and aerospace engineers, designers. It's a cool vibe. I really like it.
I always love to compete with robots. It's my favorite thing to do. It's just a fun experience. I think Makerspace, like the fact they give youth competitors kind of like an early like entrance. I think that's like a cool thing to do. It like encourages kids to like get into the sport and just try with it. And I think I love Makerspace. It's a great place to compete.